in continuation with the Unix filter and pipe series. So, so today we are going to discuss few more commands and their examples. And you guys can go ahead and do the practice in your AWS EC2 instance, which is freely available. So, okay, let's go ahead with the translation command. Okay, translation is to translation is for deleting the character or translating the character from one form to another. So there are few commands we can take, and we can explain. So what it will happen is, like, we will understand the functionality of the command, and also in is part of the filters and pipes, right? So delete multiple consecutive spaces to one space in file data. So if you want to delete consecutive spaces, right, and you want to make all those consecutive spaces to one space, so this is a translation. Okay, translation hyphen s. So to the get data pipe tr hyphen s, or and this one space. This is one space only. So okay, so many spaces will be replaced by only single space, and deleting all occurrences of a. So if we have many times a coming in, so all the occurrences will be removed, specify hyphen d. Likewise, translation from smaller case to uppercase, and this tr hyphen cd will remove except a. Okay, all the character except a. So next is cut command. Cut is to cut the from the word or from the field within a file. Okay, we want to cut the 5th to 10th character, so we need to specify cut hyphen c 5 to 10 data. Cut hyphen 5, if we are specifying using comma, then the specific character will be displayed. Okay, in this we have to specify the delimiter. So if my data is this, so what it will do is it will take only the 5th to 6th field. F is for field. Likewise for C, for character, specific character. F is for field. Field, when we talk about field, then there should be some delimiter. So the delimiter is colon. Okay. Then this is the example command that you have to give into the command section, and we'll see how you are displaying the size and name of all the files in the current directory. Okay, this is the question for you guys. Then we have sort command. Sort command, the T is the delimiter, field delimiter here. For translation there was sorry, so for cut there was a D. For sort it is a T. So for N is a numeric sort, R is sort and reverse order, F is ignore case, U is unique sort, O is file write output, some file. Okay. See, there are the different options. You can try the sort command. Okay. Then there is a grep command. So grep is pattern matching tool actually. So grep options, they have a lot many options in grep. So few of the options I have enlisted here. C is the total counting of matching lines. I is the ignore case, L is display only file name, N is display the line number before matching line, V is display on non-matching lines. Okay. Now again we have meta characters. Okay, using building the regular expression. So regular expression is very important. In grep command many times we need to use the regular expression to to find any string or to find any particular regular expression. Okay, then regular expression meta characters are backslash in the escape sequence that we know. So it's a common meta regular expression. So many languages specify, likewise Python, C, or Java, we have regular expression. So matches beginning of line. If you want to match the beginning of line, right? Dollar is matching end of line. Dot is any character. Square bracket is the character set. With you can specify the character sets in the file. And then square bracket if is a caret, right? So matches any non-character not in set. Star matches zero or more occurrence of preceding regular expression. So if anything specified before star, it will be repeated n times. Zero or more occurrences. Okay, this round bracket is for grouping. pipe alternate regular expression plus matches one or more character. Star is zero or more character, right? Plus is one, at least one should be there. Question mark is matches zero or one character. The question mark is there is nothing or one on. Okay. So, for example, so meta characters the R1, R2, R1 followed by R2. If you encounter this, two command X and Y or R1 and R2, R1, I mean regular expression 1 followed by regular expression 2. R1 or pipe R2, R1 or and then followed by R2 in sequence and or condition. Grep hyphen and variable star dot cs, so local variable in C source. Okay, and all those files we have to search the variable. Okay, so grab from mail. So $mail is the file. So what we need to do is we need to search the from. We want to see the from address from the mail, so we can see all the where from where all the emails came. Grab from email, grab minus Mary. So what we need to do is we need to see the from address, but those which we did not come from Mary. Okay, ls minus l and grep ampersand all the directory we need to search. So all the directory which has the all the non-directory which has permission, for other RW read and write permission for all other people, except group and user, that we need to see, that we need to ignore. Okay, and then let's say this is the employer data, and then we have that you can grab E001 data. What it will output? E001 is this one. E00 only first record will be displayed. The second is also displayed. Not second, first and this one. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. First and sixth will be displayed. So in the beginning E001, then only beginning only one record will be displayed. That is first record. And end only the sixth record. Okay, grep beginning ending 7. Okay, so only 3 and then ending 7. What is that? So ending 7 is what is this? 3 and okay, only this will be displayed. See, what is the command? Yeah, this only initial 3 character followed by 7. So what is that? Initial 3 character followed by 7. This is the only record will be getting displayed, fifth record. Okay, so likewise we have a grep in the beginning, either A or E, then data A or E initially. Okay, grep, so E initially but not A or E. Initially but not A or E. Okay, within the bracket, if you specify this one, then it's a negation of the expression. Okay, so no R in the string, so there should not be any R in the string. So see, from the beginning until the end is dollar, beginning is the caret. So okay, so no R. Okay, no R repeated by any number of times. Okay, there should not be any R in the string, any there should not be any R in the string. So grep hyphen is either Scylla or elect. No, is okay, and give command for the following exercises. These are few examples that you have to that we have to think of and give the command for these in comment section, and then we can go ahead and review. Okay, then awk command. So that command, this is programming tool. So awk, scd, and those important command we are going to discuss in the um, next part of the video. Okay, next video actually. So let's conclude this video. Okay, thank you so much.